Welcome to the magical world of Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, where dreams are coated in chocolate. Ever wonder how that perfect peanut butter and chocolate combo comes to be? Let's grab our hairnets and dive right into the delicious chaos. It all begins in a factory that smells like a dream come true. Imagine the air thick with the aroma of roasting peanuts and melting chocolate. It's enough to make your head spin. We're talking tons of peanuts and gallons upon gallons of creamy, smooth chocolate. Get ready, folks, things are about to get messy. First stop, the peanut butter paradise. This is where the magic begins, and trust me, it's a journey worth taking. Picture this, a giant river of peanut butter flowing before your very eyes. It's like something out of a dream, but it's very real. That's right, folks, a peanut butter river. Imagine the sheer volume of peanut butter being processed here. It's enough to make any peanut butter lover's heart skip a beat. It's a sight to behold, and believe me, the smell is intoxicating. The rich, nutty aroma fills the air, making it impossible to resist. These aren't your average peanuts either. Only the finest quality peanuts make the cut for a Reese's. Each peanut is carefully selected to ensure the best flavor and texture. They're roasted to perfection, giving them that nutty aroma that screams Reese's from a mile away. The roasting process is crucial, as it brings out the rich, deep flavors of the peanuts. The roasted peanuts are ground into a smooth, creamy delight right before our eyes. This is where the magic happens, transforming solid peanuts into a luscious spread. Giant grinding machines work tirelessly, churning out gallons of the good stuff. These machines are the unsung heroes, working around the clock to ensure we get our peanut butter fix. It's a mesmerizing process, watching those peanuts transform into the peanut butter we know and love. The journey from peanut to butter is truly fascinating. From there, the peanut butter takes a little trip on a conveyor belt, ready for the next stage of its delicious journey. Each jar is filled with care, ensuring that every scoop is perfect. Now, onto the chocolate. This is where the magic truly begins. We're talking mountains of the good stuff here, folks. Rich, velvety chocolate that starts its journey in these enormous vats. Rich, creamy milk chocolate just waiting to be molded into those iconic Reese's cups. Each batch is carefully monitored to ensure the perfect consistency. The chocolate is melted down in massive tanks, transforming it into a smooth, flowing river of chocolatey goodness. It's a mesmerizing sight, almost hypnotic. The aroma is out of this world. Imagine the sweet, intoxicating scent of chocolate filling the air, making it impossible to resist. Giant molds move along a conveyor belt, ready to be filled with the melted chocolate. Each mold is meticulously crafted to ensure the perfect shape and size. The precision is impressive, each mold receiving the perfect amount to create that signature Reese's cup shape. It's a dance of machinery and chocolate, perfectly synchronized. Once the molds are filled, they're quickly cooled to create a solid chocolate shell. This rapid cooling is crucial to lock in the flavor and texture. It's like magic, watching those liquidy pools transform into solid cups right before our very eyes. The transformation is swift, yet so satisfying to witness. Now comes the moment of truth. The peanut butter meets the chocolate. The cooled chocolate cups continue their journey along the conveyor belt, where they're met with a generous dollop of that creamy peanut butter we saw earlier. The timing has to be perfect, ensuring each cup gets the perfect peanut butter to chocolate ratio. It's a delicate dance of machinery and precision, but the result is pure perfection. The smooth, creamy peanut butter nestled inside that crisp chocolate cup is a match made in confectionery heaven. It's enough to make your mouth water just watching it happen. Once the peanut butter has been added, it's time to seal the deal. Another layer of chocolate is poured over the top, encasing that delicious peanut butter, filling in a cocoon of chocolatey goodness. Again, the precision is remarkable. The chocolate is evenly distributed, ensuring each cup is perfectly sealed and ready for its final transformation. The newly coated cups are then cooled one last time, solidifying the chocolate and creating that satisfying snap we all know and love. As they make their way down the conveyor belt, the cups are inspected to ensure each one meets the high standards of a Reese's peanut butter cup. The moment we've all been waiting for, the grand unveiling. The Reese's cups are carefully ejected from their molds, revealing those iconic shapes we all know and love. It's like a chocolate factory miracle, watching those perfectly formed cups emerge from their molds, ready to be enjoyed by millions. The air is filled with excitement as the cups are sorted and prepared for packaging. Each cup is a testament to the precision and care that goes into making every single Reese's peanut butter cup. It's a true symphony of chocolate and peanut butter, a masterpiece of confectionery art. But wait, there's more. Before these bad boys are deemed worthy of the Reese's name, they gotta pass the ultimate taste testing. That's right, folks. A dedicated team of taste testing heroes makes sure every batch is up to snuff. They're checking for the perfect balance of chocolate and peanut butter, that satisfying snap when you bite into one, and of course that unmistakable Reese's flavor. It's a tough job, but somebody's got to do it. Only the best of the best make it past these discerning palates, guaranteeing that every Reese's peanut butter cup lives up to its legendary reputation. After passing inspection, the Reese's Cups embark on their final journey. This journey is the culmination of a meticulous process that ensures each cup meets the highest standards of quality and taste. Every Reese's Cup is carefully scrutinized by dedicated workers who take pride in their craft. They're wrapped in their shiny, colorful packaging, ready to be shipped to stores near and far. The packaging process is a marvel of modern engineering, with machines working in perfect harmony to wrap each cup with precision and care. The vibrant wrappers not only protect the delicious treats inside, but also make them instantly recognizable on store shelves. From the factory floor to your local supermarket shelf, it's been a long and delicious journey for these iconic treats. The distribution network ensures that Reese's Cups are available in every corner of the country, bringing joy to countless fans. Each step of the journey, from production to packaging to distribution, is a testament to the dedication and passion of everyone involved. So the next time you unwrap a Reese's peanut butter cup, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it took to get to you. Think about the countless hands that played a part in creating this perfect blend of peanut butter and chocolate. Each bite is a celebration of the hard work and dedication that goes into making every Reese's Cup a delightful experience. From the roasting of the peanuts to the melting of the chocolate, every step is carefully controlled to ensure the highest quality. The rich aroma of roasted peanuts and the smooth, velvety texture of melted chocolate are the hallmarks of a Reese's Cup. To the careful assembly and quality control, it's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and the irresistible allure of a perfect peanut butter and chocolate combination. Enjoy! The next time you savor a Reese's Cup, remember the journey it took and the passion behind every bite.